To backup Premiere Pro project, first of all, you have to open the project that you want to backup. So my project name is Dummy. Now to backup this entire project, go to File, Open, Project Manager, and here under Sequence, you'll find your all sequences. I'm checking all sequences because I want to back up my project with all of my sequences. And then options, you can enable or disable, include audio, confirm files, exclude unused clips, include preview files, and then click on browse and select the folder in which folder you want to store your Premiere Pro backup, project backup files, and click on calculate. And here we can see my project backup file size. Now just click on OK, and that's it. Go to your file explorer, go to your folder, and here, as you can see, I've successfully backed up my project. Here in this folder I have all my project files.